Sritanya and Sugyatan, and welcome to our channel Velocity Mind. Today we will be learning exercise 1.3 problem 4 and 3 from the chapter Set Languages. Let's tune it out.
Everyone, today we are going to see 9th standard state board syllabus set language exercise 1.3 question 3 and 4. Before going into the exercise, we need to know what is A dash, B dash, A dash the whole dash and B dash the whole dash. First, what is A dash? A dash is nothing but except A. So what is the meaning of A dash? Except A, that is the universal set minus A. Okay. What is B dash? Except B, that is the universal set minus B. Okay. Now what is A dash the whole dash? That is the universal set minus A dash, that is except A dash. What is B dash the whole dash? Universal set minus B dash, that is except B dash. A dash the whole dash is equal to A. Let me prove it to you. Now here I am drawing what is A dash. Okay, that is except A. I am drawing A dash. Okay. Now let me draw what is A dash the whole dash. That is except A dash. So what is the remaining part other than A dash? It is only A, isn't it? So this is A dash the whole dash, which is equal to A. Okay. In the same way, B dash the whole dash is also equal to B. Clear? Now let's go to the third question. Here the universal set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and set A is B, D, F, H. Set B is A, D, E, H. Now we have to find A dash. What is A dash? Except A, that is universal set minus A. What is the universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Very good. What is set A? B, D, F, H. What is the meaning of difference? We have to cancel the common terms, isn't it? So cancel the common terms. Okay, and write the remaining part of the first set. That is the universal set. A, C, E, G are the remaining terms. So this is A dash. Okay. Okay. Now what is B dash? Except B. That is universal set minus B. Okay. Now what is the universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. So we are going to write the universal set and we have to find the difference between universal set and B. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Difference. What is B? A, D, E, H. Okay. So what we will do for the difference? Yes, we will cancel the common terms. Very good. So A, D, E, H. These terms are common, so they are cancelled and we are going to write the remaining elements in the first set, that is the universal set. B, C, F and G. So what is this? This is B dash. Now we have to find what is A dash union B dash. I have written A dash and B dash. We have found already for your reference. Okay, in the right corner. Now what is A dash union B dash? First I am writing the A dash set, that is ACEG union B dash set BCFG. Okay. What is the meaning of union? We have to write all the elements and the common elements should be written only once. So I am writing A, C, E, G. B is not here, so I am written. C is already there, so I am going to the F. And G is already present. Okay. This is A dash union B dash. That is, I have written A dash and I have taken union between A dash and B dash. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. That is the fourth question. A dash intersection B dash. Okay. For that we have to write the A dash. What is A dash? A, C, E, G intersection B dash. What is B dash? B, C, F, G. Okay. Here, what is intersection? We should write only the common elements. Okay. So, what are the common elements here? C and G. Therefore, A dash intersection B dash is equal to CG. Clear? Now, we are going to find the fifth question, A union B the whole dash. For that, we must know A union B, isn't it? So, we are going to find A union B. What is A? Come on, say it with me. B, D, F, H. Very good. Union. What is B? A, D, E, H. What is the meaning of union? Yes, we have to write all the elements and common elements should be written only once. So, B, D, F, H, A, D is common, H is common, so I have written E. Okay. Now, what is A union B the whole dash? That is except A union B. So, universal set minus A union B. Okay. Now, what is universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. That difference A union B. What is A union B? B, D, F, H, A, E. What is the meaning for difference? How should we find the difference? We should cancel all the common elements, isn't it? Okay, let's begin. B, D, F, H, A and E. So, we have cancelled all the common elements between universal set and A union B set. Now, we have to write the remaining terms in the first set, that is a universal set, that is C and G. This is A union B the whole dash. So, first we have to find A union B and we have to subtract, that is make the difference between union and A union B. Clear? Now, we are going to sixth question, A intersection B whole dash. For that we have to know what is A intersection B, isn't it? So, first what is A? B, D, F, H. Intersection, what is B? A, D, E, H. Very good. What is the meaning for intersection? Yes, we have to write only the common elements. What are the common elements? D and H. Okay. Now we have to find A intersection B the whole dash. What is the meaning for dash? Except that term. That is A intersection B dash means universal set difference A intersection B set. What is universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Does it look like an LKG rhymes? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H difference A intersection B set, that is D and H. What is the meaning for difference? Yes, we have to cancel the common elements and write the remaining elements of the first set, that is A, B, C, E, F, G. Okay. This is the A intersection B whole dash. So, for this we have taken first A intersection B. Then we have found the difference between universal set and A intersection B set to find A intersection B whole dash. Clear? Now let's go to the seventh part of the third question. A dash the whole dash. This is simple. That is A dash the whole dash. What does it mean? Except A dash. That is universal set minus A dash. What is the universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H difference. What is A dash? A, C, E, G. Okay. Now what we should do for the finding the difference? We should cancel the common elements. Okay. Now write the remaining elements of the first set, that is the universal set. B, D, F, H. Okay. This is A dash the whole dash. Now look at this B, D, F, H. Is it equal to A? Yes. So, A dash the whole dash is equal to A. Clear? Now let's find B dash the whole dash. Okay. What does it mean? That is except B dash. That is universal set minus B dash. What is universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Difference, what is B dash? B, C, F, G. Now, how to find the difference? Yes, we have to cancel all the common elements. Okay. Now, write the remaining elements of the first set. That is A, B, E and H. Okay. Now, on seeing A, D, E, H, what can you say? Yes, B dash, the whole dash is equal to B. Clear? Okay. Now, let's go to the fourth question. Here, the universal set is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is A? 1, 3, 5, 7. What is B? 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. Now, we have to find A dash. What is A dash? Except A. That is universal set minus difference A. What is the universal set? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Difference, what is A? 1, 3, 5, 7. Isn't it? Now, how should we find the difference? We have to cancel the common elements between the two sets. 1, 3, 5, 7. And write the remaining elements of the first set. 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6 is the A dash. Okay. Now, let me find the second question. What is B dash? Here I am writing A dash just for the reference of the next sums. Okay. Now, what is B dash? B dash means except B. That is universal set my difference B. What is universal set? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Difference. What is B? 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, it is in the question. Now, how to find the difference? We have to cancel the common elements between the two sets. 0, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now, write the remaining elements of the first set. That is a universal set. 1, 4 and 6. Okay. Now, 1, 4, 6 is B dash. Okay. That is universal set difference B. So, I am writing B dash here for reference of the next sums. Okay. Now, let's go to the third sum. That is A dash union B dash. Here, we have to find the union between A dash and B dash. What is A dash? 0, 2, 4, 6. You can see it in the right corner. Union, what is B dash? 1, 4, 6. Okay. What is the meaning of union? We have to write all the sets and common elements should be written only once. Okay. We should write all the elements. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 1. 4 and 6 are already common elements and it's written. So, this is A dash union B dash. 0, 2, 4, 6, 1. Okay. Now, A dash intersection B dash. What is A dash? 0, 2, 4, 6. Intersection. What is B dash? 1, 4, 6. What is the meaning of intersection? We have to write only the common elements. What are the common elements here? 4 and 6. Isn't it? Yes. So, A dash intersection B dash is equal to 4, 6. Clear? Now, we have to find what is A union B the whole dash. For that, we have to find what is A union B. What is A union B? But first, we have to write what is A. 1, 3, 5, 7. Union. What is B? 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. What is the meaning of union? We have to write all the elements in both the sets and the common element should be written once. So, 1, 3, 5, 7, 0, 2, 3 and 5 are common element and 7, 2 is a common element. So, this is A union B. 1, 3, 5, 7, 0, 2. Now, what is A union B whole dash? That is except A union B. That is universal set difference A union B set. What is the universal set? See the question. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Difference. What is A union B we have found? 1, 3, 5, 7, 0, 2. How should we find the difference? Yes, we have to cancel all the elements, common elements, and write the remaining elements in the first set. So I have cancelled 1, 3, 5, 7, 0, 2. The remaining elements in the universal set are 4 and 6. This is A union B the whole dash. So for this we have first found A union B and found A union B whole dash. Clear? Now let's go and find A intersection B whole dash. For that we have to know what is A intersection B. First write what is A. 1, 3, 5, 7. Intersection. What is B? 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. How to find intersection? Tell me. Yes, we have to write the common elements. What are the common elements? 3, 5, 7. This is A intersection B. Okay. Now, how to find A intersection B the whole dash? The meaning is except A intersection B. That is universal set difference A intersection B. What is the universal set? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Difference. What is A intersection B we have found? 3, 5, 7. How should we find the difference? Yes, we have to cancel all common elements and write the remaining elements of the first universal set. The first set, that is a universal set. What are the remaining elements? 0, 1, 2, 4 and 6. This is A intersection B dash. For this we have found the A intersection B and we have found the difference between universal set and A intersection B. Clear? Now what is A dash the whole dash? A dash a whole dash, that is except A dash. That is a universal set except A dash. So difference between universal set and A dash. What is the universal set? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As it is in the question. Difference. What is the A dash we have found? Yes, 0, 2, 4, 6. How should we find the difference? Cancel the common elements between the sets. 0, 2, 4 and 6. And we should write the common elements, the remaining elements in the first set. That is 1, 3 and 5 and 7. So 1, 3, 5, 7 is A dash the whole dash, which is exactly equal to A. Clear? Okay. Now let's find B dash the whole dash. The meaning is the universal set except B dash. That is universal set difference B dash. What is the universal set? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Difference B dash. What is the B dash we have found? 1, 4 and 6. How should we find the difference? We have to cancel the common elements between the two sets. 1, 4, 6 are cancelled. And we should write the remaining elements in the universal set. That is the first set. 0, 2, 3, 5 and 7. This is the B dash the whole dash. Look at this. This is exactly equal to B, isn't it? So, B dash the whole dash is equal to B and A dash the whole dash is equal to A. So, with this, exercise 1.3, problems 3 and 4 are over. We can see the remaining sums in this exercise in the next video. Okay? If you have any doubts in this video, please comment down. I will clear it for you. Whenever you get free time, practice Max. Create a connection with Max. And Max will connect with you. Okay? Meet you all in the next video. Till then, signing off. Padvina Ramesh. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like. If you have any doubts, comment down. Signing off, yeah, EMS.